Good morning, my miners. Hope you all are having a fantastic and a spooky day. Happy Halloween to anyone that is participating in Halloween today. I know some people don't, but stay spooky, my friends. And stay safe tonight if you're going out trick-or-treating with the chitlins. So, good morning, guys. Got that fresh cup of coffee. It has been a wild one. I don't know if some of you may not have known, but I don't know if any of you have seen this, but yeah. Pretty bad. So, the wife was driving home from a wedding about 1 o'clock in the morning and hit a deer going about 65 miles per hour. And, needless to say, messed up the van pretty bad. She is perfectly fine. The deer is not. The deer is dead. But the wife is good. The van's not so great. It is currently at a shop getting inspected and appraised to see if they are going to fix it or total it out. So, thoughts and prayers for that, because we were legit like 5 payments away from paying that van off. We've had that van for so long. We probably had it about 4 years or more, because I drove it down when we met with Peter and everybody, Peter Saddington from Bite Size Bitcoin and the DCTV team. When I used to be a part of the DCTV team, we went down to Atlanta, and that was back in like 2019, I think. So we've had the van about 4 years. It's been about 4, maybe 5 years. 4 for sure since we've had that van, and like 5 payments away from paying it off. Yeah. So it's been a few days of trying to deal with that and insurance and everything like that. But everybody's okay. So that's all that really matters. No children are in the car, and the wife is perfectly fine. She came away unscathed. So luckily that deer didn't come up and into the windshield, because it was a buck and it was a pretty hefty boy. It's about a 7.6-ish point buck, I think. Just from guesstimating off of the one horn we could see. The other one was gone. I don't know. Probably went flying off into a ditch somewhere. But yeah. Wild stuff, guys. But let's get into something that is more crypto related. And that is, boom, right here, guys. So we have had a awesome community member, 2 community members now actually have gotten one of these, and thank you guys for using my codes. I greatly appreciate that. So you can net yourself an S19K Pro plus an Epic board for before shipping. You're looking at about $1,900, right, before taxes and shipping. If you use the code CryptoMykel, all lowercase, it'll give you 5% off of the Epic board. All right, and you can even comment when you buy an S19. There's a section down in the bottom for order notes, and you can actually add or suggest for them to install it for you. So it will cost you nothing, and they'll go ahead and install the Epic board for you. So because of some awesome community members that we have, we actually have some numbers on the S19J Pro. So 100 stock, basically 120 terahashes. You will be able to achieve it for about 2,550 watts. Now stock is 2760. It's like 27, and I think it's probably about 2,800 if the fans are like full tilt, and give or take, plus or minus 5%. But so you're able to drop the wattage by a couple hundred watts by using the Epic UMC board with the S19K Pro. And yes, guys, you can use it with the S19K Pro. It is supported. And that will give you a 21.25 joules per terahash, which sets you better than the 23 of stock. Now, if you shoot for 95 terahashes, you will get that for 1940 watts, so 1940 watts, and that will get you into the 20 terahash zone, which is out freaking standing. Even at 100 terahashes for 2050 watts will keep you in the 20 joules per terahash region. So big thanks to Backwoods Miner for these 4 numbers, as well as Throughput Mining, aka Flying Brian, right here for the 133, and you're able to put it down for 23.4 joules per terahash for 133 terahashes at 3100 watts. That's pretty freaking great. If you push the wattage to 3600 and 3670 watts, you will get 151 terahashes for an efficiency of 24.3 joules per terahash. That's freaking outstanding. So for, you know, around $1,900, sub $2,000, you can have a 20 joules per terahash machine. Easy. All day, that is the most efficient thing out there. Granted, we don't know how well the Epic UMC boards will perform on the S21s. We also don't know if they'll be supported right now, because it is a different model. So, and then they're not technically like out. I'm sure we'll know, you know, within the coming like weeks to months whether it'll be supported or not, but as of now, it's not, that I know of personally. So I do find this pretty cool that we are actually able to achieve such a great joule per terahash for an efficiency on the newer machine for such a low price, really. Like I was saying in the last video, last week's, I speculate that the prices of the machines will go up probably dramatically once the bull shows its pretty face, right? So take that for what it's worth. Not financial advice whatsoever. I'm not telling you to go buy a S19K Pro, but if you do, please, I would greatly appreciate you use the affiliate link down below, and then use the code CryptoMykel to save yourself 5% off of the Epic board. Alright, that will be most beneficial and give you the best bang for buck pretty much out there right now. So I greatly appreciate anyone that has used my code so far. I appreciate that. I know a few people have ordered these in combination with the S19K Pros. So you're all out freaking standing, and stay FA, all of you. I did also see on their website they have added the Bitaxe Ultra, guys, which is pretty freaking cool, man. So you can mine directly to pull over Wi-Fi. You don't even need an external computer. These are based off of the BM1366 from Bitmain, which is the S19XP chips. All right, you will looks like it is included a 2.1/5.5 millimeter barrel jack is included. Now that's pretty freaking awesome. So the steps down to 5-volt power. The little meter at the top will tell you the input voltage and the current of the miner. I dig it. I dig it. So this thing up here will tell you your wattage consumption and everything. So for $250, pre-order now. They'll start shipping out November 8th. I do find this kind of cool. Now this isn't a parts and accessories. This is technically underneath miners, so my code CryptoMykel won't work for this, but you can still use the affiliate link if you would like. I'm gonna look at getting one of these. These things are really cool. I've been wanting one for quite some time, and now that we can get them from Altair Tech, it's gonna be even easier for people to get them. I know you can get them from Decentral as well, I think, right now, but I'm gonna snag mine from Altair. But show. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on in the life, because, you know, it is, the Morning Miners update. And I do like to give you all updates of what's going on, plus of things that have happened. So, fortunately, the wife had an accident, and you can order an S19K Pro with the Epic UMC for less than $2,000. And that is pretty freaking outstanding because the efficiency is unreal. Like, absolutely unreal. I am currently actually looking at getting an S19K Pro myself, and I will most likely be getting hosted. Most likely. I'll probably bring it home first because I want to do some testing on it, and then I'll either A, send the 100 terahash unit out for hosting, or I'll send the 120 out. Because the 120 is way more efficient. It'll be cheaper for me to run at home. What should I do? Put your comments down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. I think you're all are out freaking standing. I'll catch y'all on the next one, guys. Much love. Peace out. Stay spooky. Stay safe tonight. And of course, stay savage. Keep on mining. Keep them hash rates up. And then watts down low. We'll see y'all in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications. Every time that we go live here on the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And peace. Spooky.